Dude, can I put this on YouTube?
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Yeah.
Dude, this is so sick, man.
Yeah. Cash, you won, dude. You won. You won. Dude, check this place out. RC car racing, indoors, air conditioning. Look at this, guys. No
So
way.
you drive backwards.
So I've got,
In order to get out.
those are my headlights.
Bro, hey, get Parker. Get Parker. Parker, come here. Bring the camera. Bring the camera. Bro, this is the sick.
Dude, what are you doing? Clean the windshield, bro. Clean the windshield. We're getting RCs all ready to go. Got the cars ready. You guys ready? Winner gets 500, guys. Guys, you have to come out here. RC track in Springfield, Missouri. I think it's 15 bucks a car. It's pretty rad. Cash already broke his, so he's out there trying to break mine now. Check him out. He's doing pretty good though. Well, we got Higgins here. We got Higgins. No, we got Cruz and Cash going at it right there. We got Higgins right there on his birthday. Yeah, Cruz. Cash. Yeah. There's Cash right there and Cruz. There's Cruz right here. Cash is making all that noise. Here goes Cruz. Oh, you taste it. Oh my gosh, Cash. Dude, check this place out. RC car racing, indoors, air conditioning. Look at this, guys. Unbelievable. Look at those guys in there. How freaking cool is this, guys? 100 degrees outside, 60 degrees in here. There's Higgins right here. Here goes Cruz with my truck right there. Just drive it like it's not yours, you know what I mean? Dude, the smaller the wheel, the harder it is. Come on, get that tire up. We got a race to go, man. Look at this.
When your race is done, you'll bring your car over off the track immediately behind. He's almost there. And the 13.
Last second preparation here. We didn't know that we had to have a transponder, and so we got our transponders on here.
Higgins, Cruz.
Here we go. Here we go, guys. We got Cruz and Cash right there. We got Higgins right here.
All right, you're up. Here's one of the workers. This race, these trucks are a handful. So,
guys, remember, slow and steady wins the race, okay? Cash are doing pretty good. There's Cash right there. There's Higgins. There's Cruz. We got some carnage here. Oh, we got Cash going up and over.
Kind of weird, man. I ran that system for 8 years.
Look at that. There goes Cash. Looks like Cash is in second. Cruz is in third. Higgins is eliminated, looks like. Yeah, buddy. Oh my gosh. Cash is in second place. Yeah, dude.
Did you finally get hit? You finally get hit?
There's Cruz.
You get hit? No, you hit me in the face.
Oh, looks like Cruz is in second.
Yeah, up the wall ride.
Holy crap, Cash is winning. Cruz in second. Wow, Cash's first RC car race ever. Look at those two going after it right there. Oh, dude, first and second are battling. Holy crap. Oh.
Take that one. 15,509.
Good job, Cash.
Swings in the third place. 12,515.
Mailman.
Up now, I got 10 scale, 2-wheel drive, short course.
Cash, I can't believe you won your first race, dude. Higgins had some servo problems. Getting it fixed. Look at these cars. Not sure who this guy is, but he's so freaking fast and accurate. My gosh. Check this out. Raw. He's good. This guy is good. There goes Higgins. You know him. There's Cruz and Cash.
Go.
Got Cash out front. Cash is out front. Cruz is in second. Cash is out front. Cruz is in second still. There goes Cash. Yeah, there goes Cash. There's Cruz is right here. Cash is right there. Yeah, Cash is in first place.
Hey, you know how to turn this on?
Yeah.
Turn that on.
Dude, Cash and Cruz are battling it out. Oh, there's Cash. Oh man, getting taken out. There you go, Cash. Cash don't play around, dude. Cash is on it. You got Cruz right behind him. Oh, Cruz and Cash are going at it. 1 and 2, guys. Holy crap. There goes Cruz. And there's Cash. Oh my gosh. Oh, dang it. Dang, there's Cruz right here. He's trying to clear that. Come on. Come on, Cash. Oh, he's got a broken shock. There you go, Cash. Something's broke. Something's broke on that truck. Come on, Cash. Something's broke on it. Keep it going. He's got something broke in the rear end. There he goes. Come on, Cash. Oh, man. Sorry, I was watching. Holy crap. Cash is in the lead still. Gosh dang, Cash. Cash don't play around, dude. Gosh dang, Cash. My gosh, Cash. He has a hidden. Cash has a hidden talent, dude. He's gonna end up breaking that thing. Come on. Come on, Cash. Come on, Cash. Cash is in first place, guys. First RC race. That truck's destroyed. Good job, Cash. Cash is done. Cash just won it. Cash just won, dude. Who won that one? Did Cash?
I think they were tied. Who won that?
Office drivers, I need you to please.
Cash.
Good job, buddy.
Good job, Cash.
Nice, dude. Cash, did you forget something? You forgot your car, dude.
Check the last call.
Yeah. Thanks, dude.
Yeah, man, for
Yeah,
sure. Come see us.
Check that thing out, guys. Come out and race.
Check it out.
What the heck is going on here? There goes the neighborhood. Can't even see where I'm going. That's so dangerous. Unreal. People driving backwards, people burning out. Unreal. So I've got,
In order to get out.
those are my headlights.
Bro, hey, get Parker, Parker, come here. Bring the camera. Bro, this is the signal.
Where are you guys from?
Down by Columbia, Missouri.
No way.
Parker, this is backwards.
Got some guys that are digging on the truck. We're at the Hotel Vandervoort right now.
Dude, this is unreal, bro.
It's so badass.
Oh, thank you guys.
Bro, this truck, this is the steering wheel. This thing drives backwards. This is amazing. This is the captain of the ship right here, captain of the ship.